Very interesting symbols, some cross-link. The designs seem like. On the massive volcano, this section over here is the section that we went through that shows most of where some of the Christian sites are and crosses, and where one of the houses are that have mosaics there. So, but there's a massive place that just keeps going. Very big place. In this house, Casa de Allegro, you can see some early 1st century mosaics here. Again, with the basics rocks, and the red rocks, and the white rocks there. There's an entryway towards his house. A large mansion. In this section is the Pompeii Basilica. The word basilica was a Roman term, a place of civil affairs and justice being done. So you can see these large pillars, which many of the early churches called basilicas, took on very similar techniques of like an altar area and many pillars on the side what do you call it? Walkways in those areas too. So exits on different sides. This was the 2nd century. One of the earliest examples of a Roman basilica was right here in this area.